Hello class, for my post for showing how to do something here in QuickBooks, I'm going to be showing how to create a new account. And this is just the main home page for Rockcastle Construction out of our book. And to create a new account for your company, you want to come over here to the company section of the home page, and you'll click Chart of Accounts. This screen here is just a list of all of the accounts that are open for the company. And to create a new account, you want to right click and click New Account, and you can select Income or Expense Account. And so we'll just create an expense account. We'll click Continue, and for the account name, let's just do Employee Appreciation. And let's see what we can do for a sub-account. Let's go through. Let's do, probably under Miscellaneous will probably be the best. So this will be a sub-account of any of our miscellaneous expenses that we have during our year or the operating cycle that we have. And so let's just say that this will be $69,100 for our account name, for account number. And for our description, let's say food and drinks for employee birthdays. We can add a note, we can add anything else, and then we can click Save and Close, and then that will actually be entered here at the bottom of our list, and it'll say 69,100 here under our miscellaneous accounts. And let's say that you put it either to the wrong section, or maybe you realize you don't really want to have that account at all, or you're just going to do something out of cash, let's say. Go back here and right click again, and as long as it doesn't have a balance in the account, we can come here and we can click Delete Account. Are you sure? Okay. And that is how you enter an account and also delete an account. Thanks for watching.